What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Lon, and I'm back on that grind. And today I'm finna do tonight. It's nighttime. I'm finna do a nighttime POV drive. So let's enjoy. I haven't started this motherfucker in a minute, and it make this noise. I think I need a new belt, but yeah. So it don't matter though. I'm finna get y'all a little cold ass start. My shit whistling. Like, bro, why is my car whistling? Like, it sounds so good when it's not whistling. I don't know. Shit, annoying. I gotta let this shit warm up. Besides the whistling, that bitch sound good. And like, besides having every light on the dash, that bitch sound good. But yeah, I gotta drive to Chipotle. It's only like 6 minutes, but I was like, it's time to drop another video. So yeah. But y'all gotta help me, y'all gotta like tell me what that noise is, cause I'm not a mechanic, but I assume it's the belt, cause like, what else making that noise? But I'm about to turn this damn flash off, cause this shit blinded me. I don't know what that noise is, bro. What the fuck is that noise? I don't get it. It randomly started doing it in the winter. Like, my shit was froze, and I started it, and it just randomly started making that noise, bro. I don't get it, bro. I'm trying to get on the road, but that bit not warmed up. I'm about to set y'all right here. Hold on. Set y'all right here. Set y'all right here. I'm about to set y'all right here. So, I just want to say, we finna hit 5K, and we finna drop consistently. Any collabs, hit me up. I don't really care who you are. I don't know what I'm talking about right now, bro. It's freezing. I can't even think straight. But I think my favorite color for these is blue, and then we go blue. We just blue as fuck. I might be a Crip, I don't know. Nah, I ain't got no gas. But I ain't finna drive this after this, so I don't really care that much. I'm gonna wait till it hit like 120, and then we can pull off. Cause I don't wanna drive crazy, but I'm gonna catch y'all when we get on the road. Alright, we officially on the road. On the road. God, tell me it don't sound good though. Tell me it don't sound good. Like, this shit crazy. I ain't gonna lie. This bitch sound good. I don't care what nobody say. Ooh-wee. Bro, it's still cold in here. Like, I got the heat on and everything. I'm finna and I don't like driving this car with traction on no more. Like, I don't know, I started driving with traction off, and like, I can't stop. I'm addicted to having my traction off now. So if I get to slipping and sliding, then that's why. God damn. I'm trying to show y'all some action, but this nigga's scared to go, and it's, you feel me, it's cars, but it's another lane. But it is what it is. Patience is a virtue, or whatever they be saying. Cops be targeting me, bro, like crazy. I would roll the window down, but my speakers messed up, so until I get a new camera, bro, I can't roll my windows down while I do a POV drive no more, because this junk be sounding boof. But Chipotle's so close. I think it's over here. Yeah, it's over here. Bro, Chipotle too close. I'm probably finna stop at the gas station and get some clips, but I think it was a cop over there too. Look at this shit. You almost made me spill my yak on my $200 suit. Now we finna go in Chipotle. My hands is froze, but I know y'all came here to see the car and only the car, so I'm not gonna take y'all in Chipotle with me. But if y'all do want to see daily vlogs, follow or subscribe to Lonnie's Mindset. But until then, I'll catch y'all when we back in the car. Hey, I lied. I rolled the window down. Y'all hear that? If it sounds dumb, I'm sorry. Woo! That bitch sounds good. Oh my goodness. I ain't gonna lie. It's time to go catless now. It's time to go catless. I gotta go to this gas station and get a thumbnail. I need that gas station light. I don't know if I should do lights on or off. Hold on. About to find out. That's off. Wait. That's off. That mean I have my lights off this whole time. That's on. I might do it on. So yeah, bro. I'll give y'all a nice little walk around. But nah, it's too cold. I tried to give y'all a nice little walk around. I tried. Shit. It's cold, bro, and I got my window down. That is gonna wrap up today's video, though. I'm sorry it's so short and simple, but it's cold and I'm finna go in the house. So if you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications, and I really appreciate y'all for supporting me. Let's grow, road to 5K, and we out.